Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about how much aim necessary in life. If we are living in a student life, if we are a student, if we are doing our job right now, if we are going to elaborate our things, then what we are going to do? Then the question arises: how much aim is necessary in our life? If we are the student of graduate, if we are still doing 8th class, whatever we are doing right now, it doesn't matter. The things matter how much we are consist in our aim, how we can focus and target our aim in life, because the aim decides you how long you can raise yourself, how you can raise your confidence, how you can raise your stamina in English language. Whatever we are doing right, it doesn't matter. We have to build a strong confidence towards our aim, because it's too much necessary. If we are not going to make such habits in life, it's so much difficult to establish a life in which we are living in the style of happiness. So if we are going to be a living which will be comfort for us, then we should to be consist on our aim, because aim direct the life, aim give direction to the life. So aim is so much important in life. If we are living without aim, so our life is useless, because we have not proper aim, proper direction towards any kind of aim. So I suggest you, if you want to gonna to build your empire, if you want to build your uh, empire and build your team, then you should to be build your own confidence, then you should to be build your own life according to your own rules. So it's not a task of one day, it's not a task of 2 days, so it's required a long time period. So if we are not giving right now to our aim, if we are not giving time to our aim right now, then there are so much difficulties in life we should to be faced in life. So in every situation we should to be give the importance of our aim. We should to give our importance to our target and goal, because there are so many people in life have to dream a target, have to dream to fulfill a target, but a little amount of people can do it, because the quality of people and the quantity of people is very low that have to fulfill their aims in life, and they live their own life according to their own rules, because it's required hard work till 10 years. So if you are living 10 years in hard and struggling right now, effort yourself right now, it giving time to your importance to your aim, then the time will came, you will be live your own life according to your own goal. So it's not a task of one day, it's required long time. If you are facing difficulties in life right now, if you are doing a job right now, if you are saying yes sir, yes boss, yes sir to your head, then the time will came, you should to be build your own empire. If you are struggling right now to focus on your target, because if you are not focused your target, it's too much difficult to fulfill your aim. How much life is look like if we have not aim in life, because a man lives almost 70 or 60 years in their life. So if we are disturbing our life, and if we are destroying our life in 70 or 60 years, if we are not going to make such habits, we should to be empire build empire, we should to be maintain our stamina towards confidence. So I hope in every situation there is no need to say yourself you can't do it. So our main focus on such topic, we should to be say ourselves, yes, you are the one and you have to do it. If we are saying such things to ourselves right now, then it's too much easy to fulfill our aims, then it's too much convenient for regarding our aim. So if we are not thinking so right now, if we are saying ourselves, you can't do it, you can't do it, that then there's a thing makes a huge destruction in our life, then these things makes discomfort in our life. So if we are going to make our own empire, so say yourself, yes, you are the guy one and you have to do it in every situation. If you are not saying such things to yourself, it's going to be difficult in your life. So if you want to be say, yes, you are the one and you have to do it in every situation, then it's make your life too much easy and lead to your aim. So as we know that consistency is too much necessary in to fulfill our aim. If we are going to make such habits to build our own empire, to build our own mindsets, it's not a task of one day, it's not a time of losing. So why we are criticizing ourselves that you are the failure? Why you are saying you are the failure? You should to be maintain your own empire. You can build your own empire. You can build your own confidence. Then why you are saying yourself you are not doing, you are not doing proper? So if you are criticizing yourself, then people came and criticize you. If you are appreciating yourself, then people came and appreciate you. If people are saying you are mad, then be consistent and be focused on your target. Because if you are not focusing on your target and aim, then it's too much difficult for you to fulfill your aim. So people are came and saying you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't speak English, you can't convince people, you can't face people, you can't imagine yourself as a successful people. So you should to be imagine yourself as a successful person, because it's your life and you have to be built in your life in every situation. So face the negative people's, face the negative thoughts of people, because it's empower your encourage of belief. It's not a criticizing task, it makes your aim too strong, it's make your stamina too strong, it makes your confidence too strong. So if you are facing right now, then you should to be maintain on your empire. So I would elaborate something that are so much necessary in our life to build our own confidence, and we should to be build our own empire in every situation. So these things we should to be necessity in our life. First of thing, be consist in nature. If you are be consist in, according to your aim right now, then one day will reach you, you will be successful person. If you are be consist in at your aim, if you are be consist at your dream, if you are be consist at your goal, so one day will reach, because you have pre-planned everything. If you are saying yourself you can't do it, you why you are doing such, so these things become so much harder for you, and the aim of life is become more harder for you. So it's upon you to make it easy in life, because it's your life and people came and criticize you until death. If you are going to dead, then people stop criticizing you. Oh, hope I know, I not think so, and I don't think so. Even people stop here, and even people criticizing you after death. So forget such kinds of people from your life and neglect such people of from your life, and neglect the negative thoughts and face the negative thoughts. If you are facing the negative thoughts, These are going to build a strong confidence in you. These things are going to make huge difference in your mindsets. So in every situation you should to be maintain your own confidence. There is no shortcut to success. There is a hard difference in to lead your way to success. So in every situation you should to be maintain your aim. You should to be work according to your target. Set your goal right now. If you are working so hard, if you are living in the life of so hard things, if you are facing negative peoples, if you have worked 22 hours in per day, so why are you are difficult and why you are worried right now? Then it's your life and you have to make it easy for yourself, because there is no person came and make easy for you. The person make easy life for you, you are the one, and you have to do it in every situation, and you try to yourself until death. If you are going to make a empire, if you are make a confidence, if you are facing a failure in life, if you are loser, if people say you can't do it because you are loser, doesn't matter. That things doesn't matter, because the people can never be stopped by saying that you can't do it. But you have to say yourself you are the one and you have to do it in every situation. So as I have already talked about, the one thing that's so much necessary in life is be consist in nature. If you are not be consist in your nature right now, it's too much difficult to fulfill your aim. So in every situation be consist at your aim and target. So it's too much easy then for you to make your own empire. Are you getting my points? If you have to do some things for your life, if you have to do something for your future, if you have to do something for your parents and relatives, and if you have to do something for your human beings, then you should to be try your best. So I am not saying you should to be try, you should to have to do, you should to have to do, and you can do it. Because if you are not saying yourself you can't do it, then you can't. If you are saying yourself you can do it, and learn to say yourself it's too much easy, it's too much easy, sir, it's too much easy. If you are learn to say yes you are going to make an empire, it's too much easy to fulfill your own task. If you are going to say yourself you can't do it, you can't do it because your parents can't do it, your relatives can't do it, so your friend can't do it, and then I hope you can't do it. So if you are saying yourself if my parents can't do it, if my friends can't do it, so I have to do it, because I introduce to a new things in life version, because all the things update their self according to situation, according to environment. So we should to be update ourselves in every situation. If we are going to make our empire, so why we are worried right now? So what's the thing behind us and discomfort and destroy our life? If we are permit people to make such criticizing on us, if we are going to make an empire, so why we are going to negative responses to such people? If we are going to make and good confidence toward audience, why we have fear of audience, why we have fear of failure, why we have fear of losing, why we have fear of negative thoughts of people? So why we are thinking right now, if we are going to make a huge and strong empire that can't people can't be destroyed in every situation? So this is the time to make yourself strong, and this is the time to say yourself yes you are the one, and you can do it. This is the time to say yourself you are the one and you have to do it. This is the time to motivate your parents. This is the time to motivate your teachers. This is the time to motivate your brother and sisters. Yes, and say yourself you are the one and you have to do it in every situation. If you are not saying yourself right now, so it's too much difficult to can't do it. So if you want to do it, then you should to be face negative thoughts, then you should to be consist in nature, then you should not to be response to the negative thoughts of people. You should to be ignore, you should to be give your peace to your mind. If you are doing such rights and if you are doing such things in your life, then people don't criticize you, the people don't even destroy you, the people can't imagine how much you will be success in your life, how much you will be successful in your life, how much your aim and goal is important for you. Either your losing is important for you, either is your failure is important for you, either is your life is important for you. In every situation you should to be say yourself you are the one and you have to do in every situation. So I am going to debate, I am not going to debate and not going to speech, I am just recognizing such things and indicate such point. We should to be face such thing and we should to be maintain our own confidence and we should to be maintain our own empire. Because people came and criticizing us, Naimur Rahman, I am here, you can't ask anything. If people can criticize us, if people can discomfort us and destroy our life, because we permit people to decide our future, because we permit people to decide our aim, because we permit people to decide our future, decide our huge. So why people are discomforting you and destroying your life? It's your life. You wanna to be debate in Urdu, you wanna to be debate in English, you wanna to be debate in Hindi, Arabic, where you are doing right now. If you are doing such thing in your life, so much you are difficult in your life, you should to be face so much difficulties in your life. So my main topic of discussion is that aim, how much we are ambitious towards our target. So in every situation we should to be face negative people, we should to be face negative thoughts of people, we should to be consist on our aim. Because this is the age to be consist and be consistency matter a lot in your coming days, in your future. If you are not going to debate your own self, talk to with your own self. If you are talking with yourself, then one day will reach the people talk with yourself. So that's they will came. If you are going to be such give your important time to such habits. So if you are thinking people came and criticizing us, we can't face negative thoughts of people, so it's gonna to be discomfort us, it's going to be so much hard for our us. So it's this is the not task of one day, it's require a lot of time, it's require a huge time. So it's depends upon you how you can face your own difficulties, how you can imagine your own life, how you can manage your own life difficulties. So in every situation you should to be face yourself in every situation. So be consist on your aim, be consist your own target, be consist your own stamina. If you are going to be consist in every situation, then one day will reach you should to be success and you will be successful person in life. And first thing you should to be say yourself yes you are the one and you have to do it in every situation, and use You are the one and you have to do in every situation. Yes, one day will reach, you will be do it. Yes, say yourself, you will do it, you will do it, you will do it. Yes, it's too much easy. Say yourself, this task is easy for me. Then one day will reach, you will be successful in life. Thanks so much.